Paycheck vanished again? Wondering where every dollar went? Let's lock down your cash, today. I've got 5 easy steps to help you take control of your cash, fast. Step 1. Know your income. Add up every dollar coming in, your paycheck, tips, even those side gigs. Grab your phone, punch in the numbers and see your total income in bold. Step 2. Track those expenses. For the next 30 days, log everything. That morning coffee? Yep. Rent? Of course. Even that late night snack run. Did you know 63% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? Let's break that cycle. Step 3. Needs versus wants. Here's the trick. Highlight your essentials in green, wants in yellow. Rent's a need. Daily DoorDash? That's a want. Watch your spending take shape. Step 4. The 50-30-20 rule. Split your income. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or knocking down debt. Plug in your numbers and watch that pie chart fill up. It's simple and it works. Step 5. Stick to it. Automate your bills, set a weekly money check-in, and use envelope systems or app alerts to keep you on track. Imagine your phone buzzes. You're on track. Feels good, right? Let's see this in action. With a student budget of $1,430 a month, after following these 5 steps, you could save $180 every month. From zero savings to $180. Just like that. Want to make budgeting easy? Download your free template from the link below. Hit subscribe and never miss a weekly money guide. Comment your #1 money goal, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips. #wealth wisdom.